Chances are you're well aware of it by now. Twitter has undergone a rebranding and is now known as X. However, this transformation goes beyond mere aesthetics. It signifies a significant shift in the platform's vision and direction. In this video, I'll comprehensively explain all the crucial details about this remarkable development and explore its implications for the future of both social media and AI. In 2006, Jack Dorsey, Biz Stone, Evan Williams, and Noah Glass founded Twitter. Originally, the platform offered a means for individuals to share brief 140-character messages, a limit that later expanded to 280 characters. Their objective was to create a simple and efficient way to express their thoughts. The name Twitter was chosen, drawing inspiration from the sounds of birds chirping, and its iconic bluebird logo gained widespread recognition. Swiftly, Twitter gained popularity among a wide range of users, including celebrities, politicians, and the general public. It became a hub for news dissemination, social movements, and personal conversations. Nonetheless, this popularity also attracted both positive and negative attention, owing to the diverse behaviors exhibited by its users in the online sphere. Everything took an unexpected turn on October 22, 2022, with Elon Musk's surprising announcement that he had acquired Twitter for a staggering $44 billion, paid in cash and stock. However, Musk's vision for the platform went beyond maintaining it as a conventional social media site. Instead, he had grand plans to transform it into X, an all-in-one application with a broader scope and purpose. However, what is X? X is a super app, according to Musk, combining social media, e-commerce, payments, entertainment, and AI. It uses AI to understand users' preferences and provide personalized content and recommendations. Additionally, users can create or interact with AI-generated content, such as images, videos, and text. Musk envisions X as a means to foster new connections among individuals and enhance human creativity. He aims for X to remain accessible to all, encouraging its continuous evolution and development. Despite Twitter users expressing concerns about Musk's intentions, fearing possible altercations to Twitter's core values and misuse of their content, Musk remained resolute. He expressed having a definite vision for X and was committed to bringing it to fruition. Musk drew inspiration from WeChat, the Chinese super app that holds a dominant position in China's digital realm. WeChat transcends being merely a messaging app, as it seamlessly integrates social media, e-commerce, payments, gaming, entertainment, and various other functionalities in one platform. With over 1 billion users relying on it for numerous aspects of their daily lives, WeChat serves as a prime example for Musk's aspiration with X. Musk expressed his ambition to develop an improved version of WeChat tailor-made for the global audience. His goal was to make X not just an ordinary app, but an all-encompassing operating system for life. He envisioned X as a portal to the metaverse, a virtual reality landscape enabling people to engage with one another and digital content in highly immersive and interactive ways. After acquiring Twitter, Musk sought to refresh its identity by changing the name and logo. He engaged the Twitter community for input, offering to adopt a suitable logo for the new name X. On July 23, 2023, Musk tweeted this proposition. A day later, user Sire Merritt shared a modern and unique logo, a white X on a black background, which Musk liked, replacing the old Bluebird logo. In appreciation, Musk pledged Tesla shares and a trip to SpaceX's launch site for Merritt. By July 24, 2023, Musk successfully rebranded Twitter to X across all platforms, including showcasing the new logo on Twitter's San Francisco building, which garnered significant attention from both the public and the media. The transformation was complete, with Twitter giving way to X. However, some experts expressed concerns about potential security risks stemming from Musk's abrupt decision to adopt X. It appeared that Musk purchased the X.com domain shortly before the rebranding, and experts speculated that he might not have planned ahead, leaving the domain available since 2019 for anyone to buy and potentially misuse it. Users faced communication challenges regarding X's changes, leading to confusion, as some perceived it as a joke or a scam. This uncertainty created opportunities for scammers to deceive people through fraudulent websites or emails. Jake Moore, a cybersecurity expert, issued a warning about these threats, highlighting that cybercriminals might create fake sites or send phishing emails posing as X or Musk. Moore advised users to exercise caution, verify URLs, employ robust passwords, and enable two-factor authentication to protect themselves from potential scams. Musk made efforts to enhance X's security by recruiting new security experts and offering encryption features, but some remained concerned about potential risks. Given the rapid changes and X being a high-profile target, there was a perceived need for robust security measures. Nevertheless, Musk remained resolute and optimistic about his ambitious vision for X. Linda Yaccarino, appointed as X's CEO by Musk, communicated with her team, announcing the company's name change to X and its transformation into an all-in-one app powered by AI. She stressed that this move went beyond mere rebranding. It represented a fundamental shift in their mission. X was no longer limited to social media. It had evolved into a life-enriching tool intended to forge innovative connections among people. The overarching goal was to enable users to share, discover, learn, create, and explore new opportunities, all with the aim of making a positive impact on the world. Musk and Yaccarino unveiled upcoming X features, including XPay, enabling transactions using cryptocurrencies or regular currency, facilitating in-app purchases. XCreate empowers users to create or edit content like images, videos, text, or audio using AI models such as ChatGPT or StyleGAN. Collaboration with other users or AI is also possible. XExplore aids in discovering topics, people, or events through AI recommendations or searches, providing content from diverse sources like news and online courses. As they continue developing X, they address the inclusion of existing Twitter features. Features like tweets, texts, direct messages, XMS, liking, and Xing will remain in X with certain adjustments. Popular Twitter features like Spaces or X Spaces and Moments or X Moments will be retained, but will undergo modifications to suit the new platform. However, features considered outdated will either be altered or removed. For example, XTs will be limited to 140 characters, and the blue checkmark system will be eliminated. Their overarching goal is to remove harmful or misleading content from the platform. Musk and Yaccarino aspire for X to embody diversity, positivity, and inclusivity. While the current Twitter community's response to these changes remains uncertain, the decision to rebrand Twitter to X represents a bold move with potential risks and rewards. The impact on social media and AI remains unpredictable, but the journey ahead holds promise and excitement. So, what do you think of X? Did Elon Musk make a great decision, or did he just kill the platform as he did the Blue Bird? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you learned something new today, give the video a like and share it with your friends. Or if you want more trending videos and informative content, just click subscribe to stay updated on the latest from the Trendingverse.